Welcome to the best picks. The best Jeep JK drag link is probably one of the most important components in your Jeep steering system, directly impacting your vehicle's handling, responsiveness, and overall safety on and off the road. This video will provide a comprehensive overview of Jeep JK drag links, helping you understand their function, common issues, upgrade options, and how to choose the right one for your specific needs and driving style, ensuring optimal performance and a safer driving experience. Number 5. MOOG ES3624 Drag Link. It fits various Jeep Wrangler and Dodge Ram models. Always double-check compatibility using the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool before ordering to ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. Before you buy, use the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool. Enter your vehicle's details for accurate compatibility and check for any additional notes indicated. It restores your steering to its original condition. The patented cover plate seals out dirt and reduces looseness, extending its lifespan. The greasable socket prevents rust and wear. New lubricant easily flushes out debris, keeping it working smoothly. A Belleville washer keeps everything tight as it wears, absorbing impacts and extending its life. The metal-to-metal gusher bearing is strong and durable. It allows grease to flow, reducing friction and ensuring a long service life. Its ball studs are heat-treated to meet or exceed original equipment standards. This ensures it's strong, durable, and resists premature failure. What we like. It restores your Jeep's steering to like-new condition. The greasable socket helps it last longer by flushing out debris. If you need a reliable, long-lasting replacement part that's easy to maintain, this is the one for you. What people say. Great quality, just as described, quick shipping and perfect fit. I immediately put it to the test off-road after install with no issues. Quality as expected from MOOG. Fit my 2007 JK. I needed to replace a tie rod end on my JKU's drag link. This worked perfectly and was the same as the original part it was replacing. On lifted Jeeps with 35s and weekend wheeling, parts are bound to go out, so I got a good amount of life out of the previous one, and these are pretty easy to replace. The only reason I took off a star was because there is no information, nothing on product pages and no part numbers anywhere on the tie rod end itself. Overall very pleased with product quality, shipping speed. Number 4. TeraFlex JK HD Tie Rod Kit. Upgrade your JK's steering system with the TeraFlex HD Tie Rod Kit. It's built to handle tough conditions and provide superior durability. This kit features a forged tie rod end housing, specifically designed for JK Wranglers. It's built to withstand extreme stress and provide lasting performance. The chromoly construction ensures superior strength and resistance to wear and tear. It's engineered for long-lasting durability and reliable performance. It offers adjustable preload tension, allowing for precise setup and ensuring optimal performance over time. This feature contributes to its long-term durability. Experience improved steering response and stability with this upgrade. It's designed to enhance your JK's handling and give you more confidence on the trail. TeraFlex is known for its quality and durability. This kit is no exception, providing a reliable upgrade for your JK Wrangler. What we like. This kit is built tough with heat-treated chromoly and a forged housing. The adjustable preload ensures long-term durability. If you're looking for enhanced strength and precise adjustability for your JK, this is a great option. What people say. Bolted right up my 07 JK 2-door with 2-to-1-2 TeraFlex lift, no issues. Extremely well built and heavy duty. Rod ends are massive and seal well. The aluminum steering stabilizer clamp is included, don't buy one separately. Nice to have grease circs on bottom of each rod end. Good instructions. After installing, definitely take your Wrangler for an alignment and balance your tires also. The steering feels more stable with less play. Definitely more control than the flimsy stock parts. Number 3. TeraFlex JK Premium HD Steering. Experience the ultimate in off-road steering control. It's built to handle the toughest terrains and provide superior strength and durability. This isn't your average tie rod. It's over 200% stronger than the factory one, giving you the confidence to tackle any trail. The forged tie rod end housing is specifically designed for JK Wranglers, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It boasts a heavy-duty 1.60D 4140 heat-treated chromoly tie rod. This ensures superior strength and longevity. The tie rod end joint uses the same high-quality materials and design as TeraFlex ball joints, for ultimate reliability and performance. Upgrade your Jeep steering system today and experience the difference. It's the ultimate upgrade for serious off-roaders. What we like. It's over 200% stronger than the factory part, boasting a forged housing and premium materials. The tie rod end joint shares features with TeraFlex ball joints. If you demand superior strength and performance, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. This thing is a monster compared to the stock parts. Installs are straightforward and instructions are clear. Nice finish and very heavy-duty feel. The quality is outstanding. Number 2. Rough Country JK High Steer Kit. This kit significantly improves your Jeep Wrangler JK's steering geometry and handling, making for a smoother, more controlled ride. Say goodbye to bump steer. It provides enhanced steering precision, giving you better control on and off the road. It's fully greasable, ensuring a long lifespan and reducing the need for frequent maintenance. This means less downtime and more time enjoying your Jeep. Specifically designed for lifted Jeep Wrangler JKs, 2007 to 2018, it's the perfect upgrade to maintain optimal steering performance. It comes with Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. Upgrade your Jeep steering today and feel the difference. Enjoy improved handling and a more enjoyable driving experience. What we like. This kit improves steering geometry and reduces bump steer, especially beneficial for lifted Wranglers. It's fully greasable for extended lifespan. If you have a lifted Jeep and want improved handling, this is a must-have. What people say. This kit got them parallel and completely eliminated the problem for me. Works great. Fits JK Wrangler and takes off-road abuse. Following my initial disappointment with how the 3.5 RC lift kit handled on my JKU, the shop recommended this modification to bring the steering link geometry back in line and to remove the damaging drop pitman included in the original kit. This completely changed the steering feel and response and resolved many of the erratic steering characteristics we were experiencing. Well worth the upgrade. Number 1. Crown 52,060,049K Drag Link Assembly. This is the Crown 52,060,049K Drag Link Assembly, designed for left-hand drive vehicles. It's a direct replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit. It seamlessly connects your pitman arm to the tie rod, providing smooth and precise steering control. After installation, it requires a simple adjustment to ensure optimal performance and handling. This is a standard procedure. It's designed as a direct replacement, meaning it's engineered to match the exact specifications of your original part for a perfect fit. This part is vehicle-specific, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance for your vehicle. It's built to last. It's constructed from durable, high-quality materials, built to withstand the rigors of daily driving and provide long-lasting performance. What we like. It's a direct replacement for your existing part, ensuring a perfect fit. Installation is straightforward. If you need a simple, no-fuss replacement that's easy to install, this is your best bet. What people say. Great fit and good quality. Fits perfectly, not interfering with other parts. Was able to do alignment on the Jeep with this part. Decent quality part for the price. Great OEM replacement and cheap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.